So a few people have asked me, do I work with my brother since it's a family business? Well, it's Sunday and we're out here working and he's down the hole. I feel like crap kind of dealing with the flu, so we're out here together working on this well. I can't even see you. Oh, there you are. Came into focus.
Yeah.
You ready to climb out?
What do you think? We're probably down here 5-6 foot.
At least.
Yeah, from the top.
Yeah, at least.
Not below ground level, but below the top of that.
It doesn't look as sketchy on camera as it does in real life.
Yeah, until you're down here face to face with the pipe.
Yeah.
5 foot below the rig.
Once you climb up, just kind of set your butt on the back.
Yeah,
Get your bearings.
So just don't fall in.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I think it'll be okay to leave it in.
Okay. You just gonna try to grab the blue rope? I mean, it really shouldn't be that heavy.
And I'm thinking if the rope would give a little bit.
Yeah.
I could just leave it all attached.
Yeah.
And you're just like, you're videoing it all.
Yeah, I'm just letting you do all the work.
I don't know why I'm here. I just come to take pictures.
Yeah. We expected a broke fitting, so let's see if our prediction was right. They hung it on 3/4, which is a no-no. I'm gonna say it's a busted pipe somewhere, like it's split. But so far, I'm not seeing anything run out of it, which is kind of weird.
I got a big vacuum when I disconnected the fit.
Yeah, so it's going down.
Yeah,
it's got to be a split.
I think we got a problem right now.
Okay. Average. All right, so we went ahead and took the top fitting off, and this was the check valve. So the check valve and the pump had failed, and it actually unthreaded itself from down inside. But the pump itself is bad because it's pulling about 40 amps, so gets a new pump. I love that it's on 3/4.
It's not that the pipe's small, it's just that the pump's really big.
There you go. I had one, I think it was down in Henderson, they hung it on 1-inch pegs. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah, yeah. I see on the groups, they'll pull them out on pegs.
Oh, man, it's just crazy.
Whatever the hardware store has.
That's it.
What we're putting down there.
Is that common for that little plastic PVC for the wire? It doesn't seem like enough to protect it.
This?
No, out on the coming out of the well.
Yeah, they just did that because the one underneath the ground went bad.
Oh.
Yeah, that was secondary.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just some PVC conduit.
Even there, I would have think they used some kind of copper pipe or whatever.
You could do metal pipe if you want.
I snaked a wire through an old copper pipe, and the damn thing went bad 6 months later. I think it got hit by lightning.
That'd be my luck.
It's the only thing I could assume. But it did have a 75-foot windmill behind it, so I just assumed the windmill got struck by lightning.
That'd be our luck. I'll leave well enough alone.
Man, these mosquitoes out here are raw.
I see a few.
Every 2 months or so, I change the filter.
You know, even though it's Sunday and we're out here working, I really love just working with my brother. I haven't done a job with him in, I don't know, a long time. But I feel like absolute trash. I don't know what the sickness is that I have, but I didn't want to work yesterday, and I only kind of come out here today because I'm giving him a hand. And my employee, he's sick, so I couldn't do it yesterday. I didn't have any help, so I'm just out here helping him. The video isn't going to be like a lot of the other videos, but I had to make one just because he's down in that hole, which was kind of funny. But now what we're doing, we're going to extend the pipe a little bit to drop the pump a little bit deeper, and I'm just looking to find some pipe. It's not done to the way we like to do things, but sometimes you got to work with what you got and your customer's budget, so that's what we're doing now. Yeah, the tighter it is,
The more
less
you feel like you're in your coffin.
yeah, less likely you feel like you're gonna fall to the bottom.
Nice and cool down there, ain't it?
It is. It is not as hot as it is outside. There's more of a foothold. Now my problem is the pipe is on this side. I sent Johnny a message. So we're literally on the bottom, off the bottom. So we're using all she got there, Captain. So that would be on. So we need to take up some rope slack.
Okay.
Hope I can go a little bit. So what did it feel like just before the ladder broke?
Dry. Then it was wet.
You'd probably hit your head going down and freaking drown.
I always felt like your knees would bend in and you'd wedge in the rocks.
Your legs would break.
Yeah, that's what I always felt like, you would wedge in there.
I know I would probably do my best to wedge.
If you wedged, you wouldn't pick up speed falling. He's like, let's not talk about this. It's not gonna happen.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta think positive. I want some tape, kind of.
You want some tape?
Yeah, kind of do.
All right. Okay. Geronimo. I got a dude who watches my videos, and
he's gonna love this.
His company name is Clearwater Well and Pump.
Nice. Yeah, I'll call like CMC to bitch.
Yeah.
It's Clearwater filter and treatment. What Clearwater? Like, you understand there's like 15 of them in the system?
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
How many guys are on a drilling crew?
Needs to be 3.
3.
Needs to be 3.
I don't say most of them run less than, yeah, they run 3 or less.
Yeah.
There's some guys do it solo.
You
Really?
can drill one person, but you need 2 people to pull out.
Really?
Yeah. I've drilled 3 wells by myself, and I paid a guy on the job site who was like working on the house, and I had him come help me pull out.
Yeah, didn't one of Jake's guys help
Yeah,
you?
it was John. John Remy.
So
Every time he helped me pull out, I gave him $50. He was
there's
happy.
an auger goes down in the hole first.
No, it's not an auger. This well right here is done with an auger
No, I'm
style.
talking about a normal well what you're drilling now.
Yeah, now they're like
What makes the hole?
a rotary air hammer.
Yeah, there's so much air compressed air coming out the end of the bit, it blows all the cousins out.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be all.
Okay, so then you pull that up every so many feet.
No, we just keep
Yeah,
going
they're
down.
20-foot sections. Yeah.